Alright, so we'll start off by going to our executable file. So we'll open it, double click. Alright, so we'll patiently wait for the server to be done loading, and then it brings us to our web browser. Alright, now we're on the official login page for OpenMRS. So now we press in our username, which is admin, and our password being admin 123. Alright, so we can just select any location. Alright, so let's log in. Alright, so now we're here on the interface of OpenMRS. Let's create a new user in OpenMRS. For this example, we're going to use a fictional user named Sarah Jones. Let's imagine Sarah is just getting started on OpenMRS. We'll also give her super user privileges, which means she'll have full access to manage and configure the system. The first thing you need to do is you select System Administration. So we click on that. Then we'll select Advanced Administration. Alright, so now we're going to select, under users, we're going to select Manage Users. Alright, so under user management, you'll just select Add User. So we want to create a user, so we'll select Add User. Alright, so under Add User, you select Create New Person. Under the demographic information, the given name is Sarah. You can skip the middle name. If you want to add a middle name, you can add it. And the family name is Jones. Gender, she's a female. You can just skip the provider account, and then here underneath you see the login information. So this is where you'll type in the username as well as the user's password. So for the username, I'll select Sarah Jones. But remember, with this, there is no spaces. You don't use spaces. If you want to make space, you use an underscore. So Sarah underscore Jones. Alright, so for user's password, as you can read here, the password should be 8 characters long and should have both an uppercase and lowercase characters, at least 1 digit, at least 1 non-digit. Alright, so our user password is Apple369. So capital A 369. So that means that we used the uppercase, which is the A, lowercase is the rest of the letters in Apple, as well as at least 1 digit, which we have 3 digits, which is 369. Alright, so let's just confirm this password, Apple369. Alright, so that's Apple369. For force password change, this is optional. Alright, so now we go to the roles. As you can see, there are numerous roles. In this case, where we want to assign Sarah with the super user privilege. So we'll select this. So this application has super user privileges. So the super user privileges has it has all these functionalities in here. Basically, you can do all functions within OpenMRS. Alright, so you scroll down and you save user. Perfect. Okay, so let's just quickly search if Sarah is in the system. Let's just check if Sarah is in the system. Let's Sarah and press enter, or we can search. Perfect. Here we have Sarah Jones, and you can see that she has a super user privileges. Alright, and then if we go in here, you can see this is basically her profile. Alright, so let's just log out of admin and log in as Sarah. Alright, so our username was Sarah_Jones and the password was Apple369. You can select any location. Let's log in. Alright, perfect. So you see that we're able to log in, so that means everything was successful. Alright, so what if, for example, you want to remove Sarah? Let's see how you can do this. So you can log out and go to and log in as admin. So admin 1 2 3. Okay, so you go back to system administration and then you press on advanced administration. You go to manage users and you search for Sarah and you select. You can see this is the current user, which is Sarah. We go there and then we can scroll down, and as you can see here, there is a section called delete user. So you can select delete user. Perfect. Alright, so let's just try and log in as Sarah and see if our login credentials and login details still work or not. _Jones and password being Apple369. You see, invalid username or password, please try again. So that's how you deactivate and add a new user. Alright,
if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave any questions or comments in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.